Hi everyone, it's Sherry, and in this video I'm going to be showing you, I guess, part one of this pond that we made for our back porch. We started it actually about 2 months ago, but the weather hasn't been the best, so we can't put fish in it yet, but this video is going to show you how we got to where we are now. Everything that we needed for this pond was under $100 in total, and we found our supplies at our local Lowe's. The fish that we're going to be putting in here are transferred from an inside 10-gallon tank that I have that's become a bit overcrowded. I hope that you enjoy this video and are maybe even inspired to make a porch fish pond too. If you do, I'd love to hear about it and see it, so definitely leave a comment down below. Okay, so that is the first part of our journey of our porch pond, and it's taken a lot longer than we thought that it would before the water has gotten warm enough to add any fish. It's still not warm enough. It is warming up outside, but the nighttime temperatures are too low for me to put any of the fancy guppies into it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna put the fancy guppies in it or if I'm gonna just get some goldfish or koi, or I don't know, if they're small koi, something to put in here, because I am just getting really antsy and I really want to put some fish in here. It's looking great. I'm really happy with the progress that it has made. I'll do a close-up and show you the plants that I've got in here. I have a few different types that I can show you. Okay, so for the pond plants that I've got in here, I've got some bulbs planted in this one. I've also got bulbs planted in this one, along with some creeping jetty that is going to be falling into the pond, I hope. It will do fine that way. I also bought some bamboo here, and it's planted down there. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I don't really see that in many small ponds, but we'll see how it does. This is the water iris that you saw in the beginning part of the video. It's really taken off, and I'm excited to see how it will look. Then I bought, down here are some lilies, which, I don't know, I just put in maybe a week ago, so they aren't doing too much yet. Right here you can kind of see it. I put in some java fern that was sprouting out from another tank. And then right here is some hornwort. I also do have a heater in here, but it's still not really warming up too much. Yeah, it's pretty cold still. Then I've got my clematis right there, which is looking, it did look a little better, but I'm really happy with it. This is the first year that I've had it that it has bloomed. And then I planted lavender in here. Okay, so that is all for the first video for the porch pond. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you.